personality dialysis popular.
And I'm the
I'll help you
legacy.
be popular. Popular.
Yeah,
I'll help you be popular.
I just wanna be.
Popular. I know about popular.
Well, tell me what you know.
And with we're gonna make you popular.
Front page of your favorite magazine, and some pages of my career, somewhere in between. But that's a fantasy, something like a dream. I'm just an ordinary guy, you know, nothing too extreme. I'd rather sleep in, listening to Weekend, than to spend the weekend looking for some friends. He said,
We're gonna make you popular.
not a bad idea, you know I'm with it. Introduction to the lights, camera, action, crowd satisfaction, courageous and I'm gallant. I got a talent everyone should admire. Give me the stage, I set the mic on fire. Have the fame that I crave and desire. Be the ones chick fry to like my name Quagmire.
We're gonna make you popular.
That's my motivation, to be the topic of your conversations.
Popular. I'll help you be popular. Popular. I'll help you be popular.
Yeah.
Popular. I know about popular. And we're gonna make you popular.
Rock, baby. Rock for me, yeah. 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 Rock, baby. Rock for me, yeah.
We're gonna make you popular.
Yeah, look, I guess I'm up next like mirror, mirror on the wall. If it wasn't bad luck, I wouldn't have none at all. I'm so challenged, the clothes not happening, the shoes off point, I see how they laughing in. Cinderfella need a swag godmother to make them helicopter fresh like no other. Oh brother,
We're gonna make you popular.
watch that propeller when it's swinging, yeah. Look, I'm so hassle on talk now. They got their feet up, raising up their arch brow now. Yup, new life, new attitude. And when they have that, the haters wanna be extra rude. But they can bite the left, true religion. I'ma bust a full steam on every chance I've been given.
We're gonna make
I
you
guess I got a new spouse now. Her name Mrs. Sess. Come and open up your mouth now.
popular.